Hello friends, welcome to Kiko's Language School. In an introduction video, we learned what Hiragana writing system means. I have put the link to that video in the description box. If you still have not watched it, you can take 3 minutes to watch it to get an idea about the writing systems in Japanese language. And if you haven't subscribed to Kiko's Language School, click the subscribe button and join us. Thank you. Let's begin the video. Kambarimashou. First, let's learn how to read the first 5 letters in Hiragana alphabet. Repeat after me. A, I, U, E, O. A, I, U, E, O. Now, let's learn how to write these letters. You can pause the video and write them down by step. Now, let's learn some words we can write and read with these 5 letters. Repeat after me. I love. Au meat. E good. Iv say. E drawing. E house. Ue on. E no. Aoi blue. Oi big. Let's read them again together. I, av, e, iv, e, ie, ue, ie, aoi, oi. Well done! We learned the first 5 letters of Hiragana alphabet today, and we learned 10 words we can write using these 5 letters. In our next video, we are going to learn the next 5 letters of Hiragana alphabet and some words we can write using these letters. Stay motivated. Learning something new can make it hard to keep it up, but never give up. Nothing is impossible. 夢を成功するために頑張って勉強しましょう。見てくれてありがとうございました。サブスクライブしてライクしてくださいね。